Hello guys! Accessories for MP-443 Grach, known as Yarygin pistol or PA. I will speak about B-8 rail, that forms the Picatinny rail on the pistol, and TM-1 magazine back, about their features and about how to install them correctly on this pistol. My name is Anastasia and I will start with B-8 rail. B-8 rail is designed to form a Picatinny rail on Yarygin pistol, and it gives the user a possibility to install additional equipment on it, like flashlights with integrated lasers, and so on. People usually ask, why does B-8 rail have so many screws? The answer is that all Yarygin pistols have slightly different sizes. The same about different AKs, also slightly different sizes, and B-8 rail should be perfect on all of them. That's why we need this range of adjustments, and this number of screws, it allows this range of adjustments to be perfect on all Yarygin pistols. So now I will show you how to install it on the pistol correctly, and I will also weight it. B-8 rail weighs 44 grams. The principle of installation is a power triangle. The power triangle is formed by 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. This screw catches on a trigger guard, this pushes against the trigger guard, and this pushes against the frame. It is located in the wider part of the frame, not here. It is done on purpose. We've got questions, why is it situated here? It is situated here because if we place it somewhere here, the pistol jams, and we do not want that. So it is located in a perfect location. The first thing you need to do for installation is to unscrew this screw, which is placed inside the trigger guard. You use a hex key from the kit. The kit includes 2 hex keys, a bigger and a smaller one, for bigger and smaller screws. You may screw in this screw both from this and from that side, it does not matter. You take the pistol, you place B-8 on the pistol, and you screw in this screw. At this point, B-8 wobbles, and it is absolutely normal because you haven't secured all the screws yet. Done. The next thing to do is to tighten screws that are pushing against the trigger guard and the frame. You hold the rail by your hand so it is parallel to the barrel. This screw and this screw. Done. Next thing to do is to tighten screws that are located on sides, this and this. It is done because different trigger guards have slightly different angles and we need to center the rail. So you look from the top, you see whether it is centered or not, and screw in 2 side screws. 1 and 2. We have 2 more screws left, here and here. At this point you do not tighten them, you put some sort of a device right here, either a flashlight or a laser. You do not align it at this moment, you just put it on to give some weight to the rail. And you make about 10 shots, so bach, 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 10 times. After that, all the threads take their correct positions and you can once more tighten these 2 screws. So after shooting, you tighten them once again And after that, you secure them by these two counter screws. Tighten and another one. Done. B-8 rail is installed on Yarygin pistol. As I've said earlier, the main purpose of B-8 rail is to install additional equipment on pistol, like flashlights and lasers. So now I will install different flashlights and lasers on this rail and show you how they look on it. And I will start with Grach Mini 2KS plus laser flashlight, because actually B-8 rail was initially designed for this very flashlight, so it is perfect with it. Grach Mini 2KS plus laser flashlight is a flashlight with integrated red laser, which is designed for different pistols. I do not screw the screw on full length, just bait it a little bit so you can see it from one side and from another side. Now let's try, for example, Grach 2PS plus laser flashlight. It's a bigger flashlight and it is more rational to use it on rifles, because for a pistol it's a bit too big, but I've seen such variant of setup in different special forces units, so why not? It is a flashlight with integrated laser, and it can be either with red laser or with green laser. Also, an infrared edition exists. Speaking about lasers, for example, pierced 1K or pierced 1IK laser. It is just a single laser, either red or infrared. This one is red, this is pierced 1K laser. Now let's see more professional lasers. For example, pierced 4P. It is a double laser, one visible, one invisible, one green, one infrared. Pierced 4P on B-8 rail. And now, for example, Grach 1 flashlight. We are also working on Grach 1 plus laser flashlight, and now we are finishing all the tests, so very soon we will release a final edition and it will be available. Grach 1 on B-8. That's all I wanted to say about B-8 rail. Now let's move to TM-1 magazine bag. TM-1 magazine bag is designed to increase the capacity of Yarygin pistol magazine on 4 bullets. So together with this magazine bag, the capacity is 22 bullets. Also, it increases the ergonomics of the pistol because it copies the shape of the regular pistol grip. It becomes bigger and it is more comfortable to hold the pistol with 2 hands. Also, it increases the back part of the magazine bag. It is more comfortable to take it off from your bags with ammunition. And there is one more moment that is familiar to the users of MP-443 Grach. Sometimes you need to push it from the bottom so the magazine takes its place not sure how you call it in English, but this moment of the push, if this place is not comfortable, you just damage your hand. And with TM-1, you do not damage your hand, it is very comfortable. TM-1 is made in two colors, in black and in desert. Now I will weight it and I will show you how to correctly install it on the magazine. TM-1 weighs 46 grams. To install TM-1 on the magazine, you take off the regular magazine back and install TM-1. To take off TM-1, you press this button. So you press it and you slide the magazine towards yourself. Keep in mind that inside the magazine there is a spring, so you hold both parts so everything does not jump out in unexpected directions. Done. I took off TM-1 from the magazine. Now I will install it. There is a groove inside it. You put the end of the spring into the groove and then you push two parts towards each other so that this part slides inside this part. It does not require power, it just requires attention. The spring might be naughty sometimes, but I believe that you will cope with that. TM-1 is installed on the magazine. TM-1 magazine back, B-8 rail, flashlights made by Zenitco and other Zenitco products can be ordered either on en.zenitco.ru or in partner stores. The list of official partners is stated on en.zenitco.ru in partners section. If you have any questions left, please write them down in comment section. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. There will be many interesting videos in the nearest future, and I will see you in next videos. Goodbye!